this me and you. It's awkward.
How? I didn't even talk to you. I was like, faggot.
No, this is in 8th grade.
How is that awkward?
Stop!
How is it awkward?
Just do it again.
No!
No.
Why? Because you guys are on tape? Go.
Keenan, you have to. Okay.
Go.
That's awesome.
Go.
No.
Don't be a baby.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No.
Okay, do a regular dance.
Like what?
Like a slow dance. How do you...
I don't know how to slow dance.
You guys have never slow danced?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, go.
No, let's no!
Go!
There.
Oh, look at each other eye.
Let's get out!
You're so awkward.
Wait.